After acknowledging California's new status as the state with the most confirmed cases of COVID-19, San Diego County Supervisor Greg Cox issued a blunt warning.
And unless we start turning things around soon, we run the risk of seeing our hard work wiped out and going back to severe state-imposed restrictions or possibly even a shutdown.
Cox says the county is now working on putting together a safe reopening compliance team. He says it will help businesses that are unclear about current guidelines.
This is going to be the carrot approach, not the stick approach. But, and I emphasize the word but, we still have the stick and other tools available to us, and we will use them if necessary.
Cox says the county will work with cities to put together the team. He says it should be ready to go by sometime next week.
Well, good afternoon, everybody.
The setting for Governor Newsom's news conference today said a lot more about the state's preparations for what's to come than about today's awful news. He did mention California's move to the #1 spot for confirmed infections, followed quickly by a big caveat.
In total now, the highest in the nation. Not highest per capita, not highest in that respect, but nonetheless a sober reminder of why we are taking things as seriously as we are.
Newsom delivered his remarks in a state warehouse in Sacramento filled with personal protective equipment, PPE. His main focus? Reminding Californians that the state is not arriving at this moment flat-footed. No thanks, he said, to the federal government.
Our PPE strategy has been a success. Our PPE strategy was predicated on the lack of a national strategy.
Newsom says healthcare providers in the state are burning through 46 million N95 and surgical masks a month. But he says the state has plenty on hand and is negotiating new contracts and ordering more all the time. He says he's focusing on ordering PPE from California companies. While the state's economy craters, that will at least keep some people employed, making the kind of equipment that will keep healthcare workers safe as they work to save the lives of their fellow Californians, all while the Golden State continues in the wrong direction when it comes to COVID-19. John Carroll, KPBS News.